Hello, welcome to my channel, Skypilot here. I have the Flywoo Explorer here, long range analog little ripper. So I have the TBS light attached to my Radiomaster with a slightly improved antenna. I've had a few people ask me exactly how far you can go on analog, and as we all know, the Flywoo has a GPS on it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go right over there and I'm going to see exactly how far this will fly. Just going to use my standard setup on my Sky Zones, being the Foxeer Lollipop 3 and the Foxeer Echo Patch on the front there. So let's take it up in the sky and let's see how far we go. Okay, off and recording, 10 satellites, that's all we need. I think I've set my beta flight up to 6 for takeoff. So when and if I lose it, I should be able to locate it again. Okay, the Flywoo range test. Off we go. I do like to check my home position before I do too much, just make sure everything's okay. So 13 meters from home, looks pretty good. Altitude 5 meters, excellent. Okay, off we go. Of course, we're looking at our link quality, RSSI, and our meters down the bottom there from home. Of course, I'm flying in an area where, should it fall down, I would be able to find it. I'm hoping. Going well, 200 meters. Oh, that's someone on the oval over there. Okay, yep, there is. Well, that could be a bit of a bother. Let's keep it up in the sky, hopefully. Hopefully it won't crash in the trees. What I will do though is I shall take it just over by the tank there, because I know where that is. Let's get some height. I think height's fairly important when we're going over trees. So I'm just by that tank should we have a fall. 370 meters, 380 meters, just by this side of the road. 400 meters, starting to break up. Let's go for a little bit more height. Looking pretty good, guys. I might just, I really don't want to go near the road there. I'm going to go over here. I'd rather fall into the trees rather than onto the road. Oh, that's okay. Let's just keep it steady. So we're 500 meters, guys. For some reason my video on my head just stopped recording, but that's okay, my goggles are still recording. I'm not too sure what happened there. I'm going to have another quick punch, guys, because I'm really happy with this. I'm going to go for 550 to 600 meters. I'm fairly high up because we have gone up the hill there. Oh, beauty. Okay, let's push for 600 by the big old tree. 600 meters, okay. That's as far as I dare go, guys, because I don't know if you can see me, but I shall put the area where I am. Oh, right there. Okay. Let's bring it on home. 600 meters, guys. What's the story there? I think I could even go further, actually. I'm just going to have another quick run over, because I wasn't even looking like it was beginning to break up there. me just sit here for a minute. Okay. Let's find out where home is. Sorry if you're wondering what happened then. I just looked over my goggles to see where I was. And I just looked out of my goggles then, guys, to see if there was someone next to me. Yeah, not a good idea. Anyway, 600 meters, I'm not going to push it anymore. That is fairly decent, folks. I'm really happy with that. A little bit of power left. I'm not going to go for another run. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, folks. Nice or what? I think it's really good. 600 meters. I think I can actually push for 700 or 800 meters, which is really decent. Okay, bring it home, quick line of sight, and final summary. There you have it, guys. So around 600, 650 meters. I could have pushed it a bit more, but I had a little bit of a scare because I took my goggles off. I haven't seen the footage yet, but I believe I may have nearly crashed. So next time I'll go for 800 meters, and I actually think it'll do it fairly well. What a cool unit. Thumbs up, guys, drop me a comment. Quick range test of the Analog Flywoo Explorer LR. Absolute beauty. See you next time, guys. Bye for now.